next comes the numerical aptitude test. Generally, its syllabus generally cover 9th and 10th standard math topics like arithmetic topics like time, speed, distance, time and work, profit loss percentage, all these things, and basic algebra questions. This also comes in this test. And what is the importance of understanding these and preparing for this kind of exams, aptitude test? So one of the importance is the understand the test format. Initially, you have to familiarize yourself with the format of the test, so you will be taking, and these include understanding what kind of questions and what are the number of the questions that will come and what are the time limits. And after that, to prepare for numerical aptitude, you have to review all the basic math concept. Like you can take a 9 or 10 standard math book and you should have a solid grasp on the basic arithmetic question like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and then percentage, ratios, and basic algebra questions. Third step is the practice regularly. Consistent practice is the key to improving your numerical skills, and use practice test and different sample questions to get used to different type of questions you will face, like different kinds of websites, books, and online resources you can use. And fourth important is the time management. So whenever you practice under time, it will improve your speed and your accuracy, and you will learn to manage your time effectively to ensure that you complete all the questions within the allotted time. And most important is the identify weak areas. So by practicing, you can analyze your strength and weakness, and you can focus on improving your weak areas. So I curated a specific free numerical aptitude playlist from YouTube, and I think someone already put it in the chat box. So if you want, you can go through the playlist. There is a good number of the theories and questions are discussed in this playlist. Second is the logical aptitude test. This section generally mainly covers different type of logical aptitude, which can include number series, coding, decoding, then direction test, blood relation. And in this aspect, how can you prepare for this logical aptitude test? Initially, you have to understand the test format. Like there are different kinds of exams. Like I can give you example of CAT, SSC, or any kind of recruitment exams. And different recruiter took different type of tests. So you have to understand the test format, and you have to familiarize yourself what kind of questions you will encounter, such as sequences, analogies, deductive reasoning, different kind of critical thinking scenarios. All these kind of questions can come. After the second important step is practice regularly. You have to become consistent in the practice, and practice is essential. Use different practice tests, sample question paper to get various kind of questions and formats. And also what can you do? You can practice different kind of puzzles, Sudoku, and it will also improve your logical ability. And also at the same time, you have to develop your problem solving skills. Like you have to learn and practice different strategies for solving different logical problems, such as breaking down complex problem into smaller problems and manageable part. And you have to eliminate different incorrect answers. And I think in newspaper, many times different kind of Sudoku and logical problems come, and you can also solve them. And also in that way, you can enhance your analytical skills. So work on different exercises that will help you develop your analytical skills, such as identifying patterns, drawing conclusion from different data, and understanding relationship between different elements. And by practicing this, you can identify different kind of weak areas, and you can use targeted exercises to improve your performance in these weak spots. So in the same way, I prepared a curated list, and I think someone already posted the list here. It is a basic playlist, and from that, you know what kind of topics you have to prepare from different logical aptitude tests. Third important point is the verbal aptitude. So verbal aptitude is a measure of your ability to work well with different language. So this section covers different type of topics like assertion, reason, statement, argument, cause and effect. So for this part, you can use different kind of YouTube videos and also books, and similar way like numerical aptitude and logical aptitude. Also, you can prepare for this verbal aptitude section.